Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. The topic today is about integrals and area. So here is about the question. A painting has been created as shown in diagram A. Each shape on the painting can be created from four equations as in diagram B. Then the shape is rotated and repeated to make the painting. Find the total area of the repeated shapes of the painting in diagram A. So we need to find the total area in one object. Then later that we multiply with number 3. So you got about 3 diagram in here. Now let's calculate this area. First we need to find the intersection between the four curves together. So now we need to find the intersection between 1 over s with s in here. So we will replace the s with the y in here. So this one y equal to 1 over y. Later that we move 1 over y to the left. Then multiply in both sides with the y. We know that in this diagram y equal to 1, we need to reject y equal to minus 1 because you can see this area is about positive. So that's why you choose only y equal to 1. Later that we know that s equal to 1. The next one, y equal to s with y equal to 2s in here. We do the same thing like this, but we change to number 2 in here. This is about square root number 2. The next one, we have s over 2 and 1 over s in here. We do the same thing, but we have the number 2. Two multiplied with y, you got about s. That's why you got about 2y in here. Then we move both sides with 2y. This one change to square root number 2 over 2. In this situation, you see that we have y equal square root number 2 over 2. So in this one we have square root number 2 over 2 in this one, and s become the square root number 2. The next one, that's about y over s over 2 intersect with 2 over s in here. This is similar in this one, so I just copy y equal to 1 in here, so that s equal to number 2. So after we calculate everything, now we can see that 1 over s is below than y over s in here, so that we find the integral from this area to the square root number 2. Then the next thing, we have 2 over s over this area s over 2, because we have this curve and this curve in here, from square root number 2 to number 2. Now we just calculate this integral. Integral of s, you go about s over 2 divided by 2. 1 over s, you change to logarithm s in here. And we have number 1 and square root number 2. We have 2 over s, so we have 2 logarithm s in here. S over 2, you go about s power 2 over 4. So now we have square root number 2 and number 2 in here. Let's put on the number everything and we find the answer in here. So the area of one object is about 1 over 2 multiplied with logarithm number 2. So we have 3 objects in here. So we multiply with number 3. And this is the final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.